Every day I see people online saying they made thousands overnight on Amazon KDP. And while that sounds amazing, it's almost never the truth. The myth of overnight success in self-publishing is one of the biggest traps that new authors fall into. They think if they just throw up a couple of AI-generated books, the money will just start pouring in. But the reality is very different. In this video, I'm going to break down why overnight success is a myth, and more importantly, what it really takes to succeed on KDP. Ready? Let's dive in. Part 1. Why the overnight success myth exists. So where does this myth even come from? It comes from two places. Number 1, people who cherry pick their best results and make it look like the norm. And number 2, the fact that occasionally someone does hit the perfect storm. A great niche, a trending topic, and the right timing. But here's what you don't see. Behind that overnight success is usually months of trial and error, failures, edits, and constant learning. What looks instant is almost always built on a foundation of work that you don't get to see. It's like seeing a band blow up with one viral hit. You don't see the years they spent practicing in garages and playing in empty rooms. KDP is no different. So part 2, the real work behind success. So what does it actually take to succeed? First, it takes time. You have to test niches, you have to learn what sells, what doesn't, and how to position your books. Second, it takes quality. If you're publishing sloppy books just to get them out fast, readers will punish you with 1-star reviews and refunds. The authors who make real money are the ones that take the time to polish their drafts, design strong covers, and care about the reader's experience. And third, it takes persistence. Most people quit after their first or second book doesn't blow up. But the truth is, most successful KDP authors have multiple books, oftentimes a series or a catalog, and they slowly build up momentum. Now that's what compounds into a long-term income. Now part 3, the role of AI and how to use it. The role of AI and the right way to use it. Now, AI is an incredible tool. It can save you time, help you generate drafts faster, and greatly speed up your research. But here is the mistake that people make. They think AI equals instant success. AI should be your assistant, not your replacement. Use it to draft, outline, and speed things up. But then you need to bring your own unique perspective, your editing, your voice, and your stories. That's how you create books that don't just make sales, but build real fans. Because at the end of the day, the authors who last are the ones who create books that are worth remembering. And so finally, part 4, what it really takes. So if overnight success is a myth, what does it really take? It takes commitment to the process, not just chasing quick wins. It takes publishing consistently, learning from mistakes, and improving with each book. It takes treating KDP not like a lottery ticket, but as a real publishing business. Businesses take investment, strategy, and patience. And if you bring that mindset, then KDP can absolutely change your life. But if you come in thinking you'll get rich in a week, you'll probably quit before you ever see results. So here's the truth. There's no shortcut to lasting success on Amazon KDP. The overnight success stories you hear about are the exception, not the rule. But if you're willing to put in the work, use AI the right way, and follow a proven system, you can absolutely build something real. That's exactly what I teach in my course. How to go from idea to published books step by step with the same exact system that I use. If you're serious about making KDP work for you, check out the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.